It's very, very costly to do things without focusing on data or having a good platform for compliance. In the life science industry alone, fines are in the tens of billions of dollars. In financial services, they're also absolutely enormous. When we were working with our clients in the compliance space, we noticed that they had huge swaths of data. They were all coming from different systems, and it was very difficult to understand where to dedicate their attention. We built RAMP in order to solve that problem. This tool puts everything in one place, and it makes it much easier to follow that audit trail all the way from the beginning to the end of a review. People are often doing this process manually. It's really not a great paper trail. It doesn't really provide an auditability. By having a good audit trail and keeping everything in the same platform, it really makes it very easy to report to regulators, and it provides a very defensible compliance solution. The first part is assessing a risk and prioritizing that. Once you prioritize risks, you'll start to create mitigating actions or things that will lower or manage that risk. So once you've identified a way to mitigate risk, you want to make sure that you're constantly monitoring the data to ensure that that does in fact lower or reduce the risk. That whole system, the entire workflow, is automated through RAMP. BRG is an expert-driven firm, and so what we're trying to do is take that expertise and incorporate it into the technology that we're building. We have software developers, data scientists working alongside industry experts. We can train machine learning models and leverage artificial intelligence to identify anomalies, and then later in that process, as we have human feedback, we can reinforce and update those models to make them as accurate as possible. Every compliance team is slightly different. The data sources in each firm are different. RAMP is configurable to tailor it to your specific needs. Give us a call to talk about building something together.